Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Fidelity for Dividend ETF alerts, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Fidelity Investments homepage. If you don't have an account, click on Open an account and follow the prompts to create one. If you already have an account, click on Log in at the top right corner. Enter your username and password, then click Log in to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, look for the Research tab at the top of the page. Hover over Research and select ETF from the drop-down menu. In the ETF section, you can either browse through the available ETFs or use the search bar to find specific dividend ETFs. Once you find a dividend ETF of interest, click on its name to view more details. On the ETF profile page, locate the Alerts tab. Click on the Alerts tab to proceed to the Alerts Setup section. Here, you'll find an option to create a new alert. Select Create Alert to start setting up your alert preferences. Choose the conditions for your alert, such as price changes or dividend announcements. Make sure to specify the type of alerts you want to receive, focusing on dividends. After setting your preferences, enter the email address where you want to receive the alerts. Review your settings and click Submit to finalize the alert setup. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your alert has been successfully created. Now, you will receive email notifications based on the criteria you selected. Return to your Fidelity account at any time to modify or delete your alerts. This completes your setup for dividend ETF alerts with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.